What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So just wanted to go over something real quick with y'all. I made a separate channel for all the scammer videos. So I will no longer be posting this stuff on the Everything Credit page. And this is honestly something I should have already done because this is a professional business and that scammer stuff needs to stay separate. So I'm going to put in the description of the video the link to that new page. So if y'all will, please go to that page, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. You can also text me or email me, whatever's better for you. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all on the next video.